We got our next patient here this morning, and we're going to call you Jefferson. We're going to give you a name. And you're about 400 pounds, a little bit over. How much do you weigh?
This is the first time I've been told I was over 400.
No kidding.
Yeah.
All right, and you've had this breakdown in the skin here. It's been going on for a while. You've been applying bacitracin to it, and it doesn't seem to be getting better, right?
No, this is much better than what it has been in the past. My leg swelled. My entire leg was about the size of my calf.
Okay, now what I'm talking about though are the sores.
Much better now than what they have been in the past.
All right, have they actually had any pus come out of them or anything like that? All right, so what we're going to do on this is we're going to get a wound culture. I suspect you might have a bacterial infection, but I think the big problem is the bacitracin. And I see this sometimes in people that are using bacitracin or they're using Neosporin frequently on wounds. They have a hard time healing. And it's not because they don't do a good job being antibacterial, because they do. The problem is that the heavy petroleum base that these products have sometimes causes a local skin irritation, and it slows the healing. So what I recommend people do is just use those kind of products for a day or two when they have an initial abrasion, but beyond that, not to continue using it unless they're directed by their doctor. Anyway, so we're going to do a culture, and we're going to get you on some antibiotics and have you stop using the bacitracin, and I bet you we can clear this up.
Okay.
All right, man. Thanks for letting us show that.
You good?
Hi, my name is Melissa, and I've been taking medicine for about 3 months right now. So far, I'm really loving this product. It's definitely helped me steer off of energy drinks, caffeine. That was my goal. I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more fit. So I would definitely recommend this product on Amazon. So catch me next 3 months, see how's it going. But so far, I'm loving this product.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.